STEK.
I stay for the lap on Benjamin. I'm a big fucking bitch. I do bitch shit all the time. I like jerking off and crying. I cry like I do it in front of the window.
The ribeye roast is the powerhouse of the cell. Remove your ribeye steak from the fridge and let it rest for 30 minutes. Take it out and dab it with a paper towel or a regular towel to remove all the dampness from the steak, because you don't want the dampness sticking to the cast iron pan. And the salt and the black pepper, that won't stick either. So roll it over, dab it, see how it's all wet, gooey, nasty. STEK. Now you want to aggressively season the steak. Aggressively. If you think you've done too much, you haven't done enough. A lot of the salt and the black pepper will come off in the cast iron pan. So don't be afraid to load that boy up with salt and black pepper. Bop bop. Alright, so you get your oil, you get your pan, you take your steak, you get it to a ridiculously hot temperature, almost smoking, so that when you lay your steak down, it sounds something like this. Bam! And that's a steak. Oh, that's a steak my wife can be proud of, right? Alright, steak number one's in. Now you take your second steak, because one is just not enough. You shove that in there too. You take your spatula, because you got one of those lying around. And you just move these boys over. You ruin everything. Start a grease fire, burn down your house. STEK. You're gonna want to cook these 3 minutes on one side. Flip it over. Take some butter. Take some rosemary. Take some smashed garlic. Put it on the other side. Cook for another 3 minutes. That's how you make a perfectly good medium rare steak. Alright, I think a beauty here has been cooking for 3 minutes on each side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull it out. Oh yeah, we're gonna pull it out. Alright, our pull-out game is so good. Look at it going. What do we have to pull it out? We got a little thing here. Oh, Billy. And then we're just gonna let it rest. Oh, we're gonna let it rest. We're gonna turn off our heat. We're gonna stare at it for 5 to 10 minutes. All the juices are simmering, cooking on the inside. Alrighty. Oh wow, and bing bang boom. There's your perfect medium rare steak. Nice and tender. Oh, finger licking good. So yummy.